Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject English.
Good morning, my dear students. In this class, we are going to see about Unit 9 Prose. The topic of the lesson is a bicycle in good repair. The topic is again I tell a bicycle in good repair. All of you take your textbook and take page number 126. So let's go. A bicycle in good repair. Before you read, if you wish to go on a long bicycle ride, the bicycle should be in the good condition. Yes, if you are going to a bicycle ride, we are very happy to go. Yes, with a friend, so excited, very excited with the journey. So here the author also went a journey with his friends. What happened on the day, and he just shared the experience of the good repair. It means the bicycle has fault, so how the person repair the bicycle, so it is only the outline of the story. It's a very interesting part. Listen carefully. Here, first part 1. A man I know proposed on one evening should go for a long bicycle ride together on the following day, and I agreed. So the author said his one of the friends proposed for the long journey of bicycle ride. He said, okay. I got up early. For me, I made an effort and was pleased with myself. So he was very excited to go. So he was fastly he could ready. And he came and half an hour late. I was waiting for him in the garden. But what happened? The proposed man, the friend, came half an hour late to the garden. I was waiting him for the garden. It was a lovely day. He said, that is a good looking machine of yours. How does it run? So now the friend came. He said it is a nice looking machine. So what is a machine? What is the name of the machine? The bicycle, he said. Oh, like most of them, I answered. So most of the person said his bicycle is in good condition. So of course it is looks beautiful. So he is very love to give the reply to the man. Easily enough in the morning, goes a little stiffy after lunch. He caught hold by the front wheel and the fork. He shook it violently. I said, don't do that. You will hurt it. So, of course, his bicycle is in good condition. But what happened? His friend start to caught the front wheel. So, he get upset. Don't do that. That it will hurt. I did not see why he could shake it. It had done anything to him. So first he not understood about his activity because it is already in good condition. So why he was done this like the about the front wheel, he doesn't know anything about that. Totally he was shocked. Don't do that, like that is only the reply given by the author to the friend. Page number 127. If I want shaking, I was a proper person to shake it. I felt much I should had. He started wagging my dog. He said, I'm not shaking it. How he want to check his condition of the bicycle. He said the front wheel wobbles. Wobbles means it is unsteady condition, not moving steadily. I said it does not. If you don't wobble it, I did not wobble. As a matter of fact, nothing worth calling a wobble. He said, don't wobble. So if you are doing that, it will wobbling. Said by the narrator to his friend. He said, I'm not do nothing. This is a dangerous. Have you got a hammer? So now the friend said it is a dangerous condition. So just to bring the hammer to me. I ought to have been framed, but I thought that perhaps he really did know something about the business. So the narrator thought what he thought. Yeah, so he must know something about the bicycle repair. That's why he asking these like questions. I went to the tool set and see what I could find. So after he returned, what happened when I came back? He was sitting the ground with the front wheel between his legs. See the picture. So this like condition sitting by the friend. He was playing with it, rattling down between his fingers. The remnant of machine was lying on the gravel path beside him. So the ball bearings and the remaining part was lying in the ground, but he was sitting like that. He said, "It looks me a few bearings were all wrong." I said, "Don't you trouble about it anymore. You will make yourself tired. Let us put it back and get off." So now the narrator said, "Don't do again anything to the bicycle, just left it. If you are doing again, you should get tired." So this is a conversation between the narrator and his friend happen in this page. Page number 128, he said, "We may as well see what is matter with it. Now it is out." He talked as though it had dropped out by accident. He said, "If it is a bicycle is in not a good condition, it should make accident." So he found fault with the bearings. Before I could stop him, he had unscrewed something somewhere and out rolled all over the path of dozen or so little balls. So just he set about repairing the machine and he unscrewed it. It is not a good fitting bicycle. "Catch 'em," he shouted. "Catch 'em. We must not lose any of them." He was quite excited about them because he start screwed it. If it is anything missing, we not again refix it. So he shouted. We growled round for half an hour and found 16. He said he hoped we had got all them all, because if not, it would make a serious difference to the mission. I put them for a safety in my hat. It was not a sensible thing to him, I admit. So he collect all the balls, the screws, and he put it in the hat with a safety manner. So this is a first part given by the author. So just the narrator one evening accept his friend's proposal of bicycle riding. So what happened on the day, how he make ready to the journey, this is given in the first part. Part 2, page number 129. He then said that while he was about it would see to the chain for me, and at once began taking off the gear cast. I did try to dissuade him from that. I told him what an experienced friend of mine once said to him the solemnly, "If anything goes wrong with your gear cast, sell the machine, buy a new one, it comes cheaper." He said, "People talk like that who understood nothing about the machines. Nothing is easier than taking off the gear cast." So now his friend handled the chain. He took off the gear cast. He claimed to know all about the bicycle. He removed the gearbox, but a loss of screws. So what happened? See, he said, "If you are missed anything, it is going very cheaper rate only. Just we can sell." But he said, "Don't say that, like nothing is easier to taking off the gear gas," replied by the friend. I had to confess he was right. In less than 5 minutes, he had the gear gas in two pieces, lying on the path, and was growling for screws. He said that it's always a mystery to him to where the screws disappear. He said, "Whenever we are going to repair any machines, always the screws was disappear, because it is a mystery." He given some more tips about the machinery repair, and he just pick out the gear gas. Common sense continued to whisper me, "Stop him before he goes any more mischief. You have a right to protect your own property from the ravages of lunatic. Take him by the scruff of the neck and kick him out of the gate." So first, the narrator was too weak to check out his friend from doing further mischief. The friend went ahead. He tightened the chain. So first he thought he must have mischief him. So he want to send him out. He gave up looking for the rest of the screws. He said screws had a knack of turning up, and when you least expected them, and then now he would see the chain. He tightened till would not move. Next he loosened it until it was twice as loose as was before. Then he said he had better thing about getting in front wheel and back into the place again. I held the fork open. He worried with the wheel. At the end of the minute, I suggested. So what happened? So again and again the narrator gets more confused because what are the things done by the friend? It is totally different. So again he confers him whether he know the repair of bicycle or not. So just he tried to deceive him, understood by the narrator. He laughed and admitted he laughed and done so many things in that place. So the author get worried about his bicycle. Page number 130. Should hold the fork and I should handle the wheel, and we changed places. At length we did get the thing into the position. Then the moment it was a position, we burst out laughing. I said, "What is a joke?" He said, "Well, I am an ash." So he first he was so much tired about repair. So but now they changed the position to fix the bicycle. At the length we get nothing into the position. So now the friend was I said, "What is a joke?" He was laughing at the narrator. He said, "I am an ash." It was the first thing he had said that made me respect him. I asked him what had led him to discover. He said, "We have forgotten the balls." I looked for my hat. It was lying topsy turvy in the middle of the path. He was a cheerful disposition. He said, "Well, we must put back all we can find and trust to Providence." So now the narrator want to fix his cycle and save him from it. The narrator then changed the places and put the tight position. He laughed and admitted then he was an ash. The reason was they had forgotten to put the iron balls in the place. So this is only given in this page. So through the picture you can understand the story easily. How they are going to fix is the end of the story. Page number 131. We found 11. We fixed 6 on one side and 5 on the other, and half an hour later the wheel was in the place again. So after they changed the position, half an hour later then only they fixed the bicycle. It need hardly be added, it is a really doable now. A child might have noticed it. It should it good for the present. I said, "Watching you do this real use of me. It is not only of your skill that fascinate me, it is your cheery confidence in yourself, your inexplicable hopefulness that does me good." This encouraged. He set to work to refix the gear case. He stood the bicycle against the house and worked from the half aside offside. Then he stood it against a tree and worked from the onside. Then I held it for him while he lay on the ground with his head between the wheels. He worked it with the from below and dropped oil upon himself. Then he looked it away from me. He doubted himself across till he lost his balance and slid over onto his head. So they could not find first they are after the position. The narrator looked his hat with the put in the ball safely, but the hat lay upturned and balls scattered. They could find only 11. They fixed on the side on one side on the 5 and the other side on 6. Half an hour later the wheel was put in the place again, but it is over even again. The narrator was impressed not so much by his friend's skill, the repairing bicycle, but by his confidence in himself and his hopeful attitude liked by the narrator, because he not uh, done the repair is very good attitude. So many confusions and so many mistakes are there, but what is he loved about his friends? His confident overlooking him and his confidence and hopeful attitude loved by the author. Then he lost his temper and tried bullying the thing, the bicycle. I glad to see short spread and the subsequent proceedings generated into the little else than the rough and tough tumble and fight between him and the machine. One moment the bicycle would be on the gravel path and he had top of it, the next position would be reversed. He on the gravel path, the bicycle on him. Now he would be standing, flushed with victory, the bicycle firmly fixed between his legs, but his trump would be short lived. But a sudden quick moment, it will free itself and turning upon him, hit him sharply over the head with one of the handles. So the narrator was impressed not so much by his friend's skill. Of course, we know the friend got encouraged, then said to refix the gearbox. He put the bicycle in different places and position for the job. He lost his balance and hurt himself on the head. Then he lost his temper and tried to punish the bicycle. It was a sort of fight between the man and the machine. So, if you see the real scene, it is a fight between the man and machine is the correct apt line of this story. The tough bicycle sport showed spirit now. It freed itself from his hold and hit over the head with its handle. So after the many incidents and many screws and many practices, now it was become good in repair. So now it is short split and now the bicycle is in good condition. Page number 132. At a quarter to one, dirty and disheveled, cut and bleeding, he said, I think that will do, and rose and wiped his brow. The bicycle looked as if it also had enough of it, which had received most punishment. It would have been difficult to say. I took him onto the back kitchen where so far was possible. He cleaned himself, then I sent him home. So now the time is 12:45. The man thought the work was done. He himself was dirty and bleeding. He cleaned himself and the narrator and then sent him home. So it was difficult to decide who had suffered more, the friend or the bicycle. So this is the end of the story. So already I said this is a fight between the man and machine. One more quote. It is who had suffered for the bicycle repair, the friend or the bicycle. So this is only the end of the story. So it is very interesting and how the bicycle, which are the ways we could repair the bicycle given by this story. It was written by Jerome K. Jerome. So I hope all you understood the story. If you read again and through the pictures, you could understood clearly the story. So now all of you take your English note and start write the questions. Dear students, all of you take your English note and start write the question. First you write the heading. Unit 9, a bicycle in good repair. Answer the followings. Question number 1. Did the front wheel really wobble? What is your opinion? Give a reason for your answer. Answer. The front wheel did wobble but very little. It did not need immediate repair. The writer had no trouble with his bicycle. Question number 2. In what condition did the author find bicycle when he returned from tool set? Answer. When the author returned from the tool set, his friend had already taken off the front wheel. The remaining part of the machine was lying on the stony path. Question number 3. Nothing is easier than taking off the gear gas. Comment or continue this sentence in the light of what actually happens. Answer. The friend had overconfidence in his skill to set bicycle right. He had certainly no problem in taking off the gear gas. But as he realized later, it was very difficult to refix it. Question number 4. What special treatment did the chain receive? Answer. The chain was a little loose. A friend tightened it so hard that it would not move at all. He then made it loose again, but this time the chain became twice as loose as before. Question number 5. The friend has two qualities. He know what he's doing and is absolutely sure it is good, and find the two phrases in the text which mean the same. Answer. Cheery, confident in yourself, your inapplicable hopefulness. This question, no need to write in the note. Just write 5 questions alone. Question number 6. Describe the fight between the man and the machine. Find the relevant sentence in the text and write them. Answer. The author's friend was rash and overconfident of the skill. He started setting the bicycle right. It was so to say a fight between him and the bicycle. He first took off the front wheel and then gearbox. He faced a lot of problems in fixing them again. He grappled with the machine and hurt himself badly. So that's all, my dear students. In this page, I given 6 questions. You just write 5 questions alone. Fifth question, no need to write in the note. Just you know the answer for the questions. Any two phrases we can take from the textbook. That is your own choice. So no need to write in the English note. So write this question and start study. I hope all you are understood to whatever I given this homework today. So study well. Thank you.